Why would you waste your time to somebody who doesn't see the value in the services that you provide? This is ridiculous. Good morning, guys. I'm here in Alaska and I'm going to talk about the NAR settlement and the new rules that the lawsuit brought to our industry. In New Jersey, the new rules came in on August 1st. Everywhere else in the US, they are valid starting August 17th. And I've seen so many weird videos and agents talking about it ad nauseum, which is just crazy because they are doing that to get attention. But it's really very simple. I always invite people for a buyer's consultation to my office. I explain the process. Usually it lasts about an hour and a half to 2 hours. And then we kind of build some kind of rapport. And I usually get buyers as referrals. Anyway, somebody recommended me, talked highly about my services. So that's how I'm getting buyers. In the past, I never ever, not even once, did I sign the buyer's agency agreement with my buyers, because all of my buyers were kind of faithful to me. I didn't have to do it. Hold on. But now the rules change, so I have to sign this buyer's agency agreement with my clients, and so far so good. So when somebody comes to see an agent and an agent explains to them, this is how much I charge just in case the seller doesn't cover my commission, just sign here. Of course, you have to explain everything to them, but I think it's all for the better, only because why would you waste your time showing gazillions of homes to somebody who doesn't see the value in the services that you provide? This is ridiculous. So that's why I love the new law. You get the client, you sign the contract, you go out with them. They know that once they sign the contract with you, they cannot go anywhere else. They can cancel the contract. You can do the same. However, for the time being of the contract, you're just working together. It's a mutual agreement. It's like a very straightforward cooperation, right? So what happens if, let's say, you charge a certain amount of commission as a buyer's agent? I'm going to put something ridiculous. Of course, it's not real, but just for the purpose of this explanation. So let's say you tell your clients, I charge 10% commission as a buyer's agent, and then the seller is only offering 5%. What happens then? Then you only get 5% from the seller and you get the 5 remaining percent from your buyers. What happens if you charge 10% and the seller is offering 15%? That extra 5% goes to your buyer's pockets, let's say towards closing costs or whatever else. And again, if somebody doesn't see the value that you provide, your clients don't see the value that you provide, then don't work with them anyway. There are a few times in my career that I had to fire some clients because I didn't feel like they were appreciating what I was doing for them. So actually this is a good thing. It's going to take a little time to get used to it. But what I don't understand is all these agents talking about it all the time. I guess it brings them attention. But anyway, cheers to our buyers agency agreements and great cooperations with our buyers.